Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ki Runar bomlaban itu satia kila Kawang Petrol bom ya ka Ïing ka editor Jongka kot kubor pareng The Shillong Times hakamit singiba ar Jongka tayo. Kani kala jaha kapor kumba prasa po minmiet nrei donbok baklam don kano ka jingmen saw lani ka jingjak basungsi. Laban kado hang bagani kam day ka sin ka banengkong bagi nong tok kubor bat kilat patay kubor kila syak berngem hakani ka rukam penting ko tempan. Ya gani ki jingle jong Runar baro kila penremjur kum ka kam ka bakau put bat dawa badai ban kem mardor ya ki badon kti bat penshitam kat kum ka an.
It appears that at around 8:30 p.m. Some miscreants they came to the house of Kong Patricia Kim and lobbed one kerosene bomb at her residence, targeting her bedroom. No damage was done, except that it blackened the walls. So it appears from the preliminary investigation that probably about 2 suspected people came in a bike, and one of them probably threw a kerosene bomb at the residence. As soon as we received this information, we informed OC Rinja, and the team from Rinja PS came, and a forensic team has just reached the spot. They are collecting the evidence and taking the photographs of the crime scene. No, that we are investigating. It appears that maybe some people may have seen those miscreants, so we will examine those miscreants if they can be identified.
We heard a loud noise, like something bursting. Then I was sitting in my bedroom. Then I suddenly saw the flames coming up from that below my window, Then I thought maybe there was a short circuit somewhere. And I rushed out. First of all, I switched off all the lights. I thought, to break the circuit and all. Then it became so dark. Then I switched on some lights and I came out here. Then I saw the flames going up. Then I took some sand and I threw. And then my mate, she saw that bottle there. Then she said, oh, and then the neighbors came running. Then they said, oh, it must be a petrol bomb. Yeah. Then the next door neighbor, she said she saw that there were 3 people who were wearing leather jacket and they had a mask on and they were running on a motorbike, running away. No, I think some people just want to tell us not to say anything, not to critique anything, just to shut up. And that maybe they want to send a warning that we should not be doing our duty, but it's our duty to speak up. Otherwise, who will speak up for those who are powerless, those who have no voice? So I believe that I speak for a lot of other people when I speak against violence. I have been against violence from many, many years now. I don't support any form of violent protest or any form of violence, and I have expressed that in my writings, in my social media networks. So maybe some people don't like it. Well, it has only to be because of my journalism, nothing else. I have nothing personal against anyone. I don't have any personal rivalries as such, but I have written against certain organizations that are used to the cult of violence. So I don't know which of these organizations would have done it. Shillong kamrathia ngashuyo snow sendet bari babthegen te nang mut yo thei tu post electric harum ta sa shipang pade nga pe shabar nga I kataka ani kataka ding shu lep temo ni ngala nyo ken mo ba perkhat tip yo dei ba link kan light na ina te nga penlip no kan light pro khoi na dia ni mi shabar yu I taka ding lep te bread no do siap ken te nang ta pade ki ni ki marjan ki yu I ken te ba shong hang te mar persya Ïing mat ni ki I ki ong ba ki yu I ki te ki senrang lai ngut ki bu ka bike hang te haneng de ki la de ble ka taka kam ki samare shong taka bike tang ba ki la deng mas kana mangi ki nong thok hubor te but ki batho articles batho persya ginu ki kenhun ki ba ya da kalenti Jongka ki kam le no te ki kam pentrim ki kam penma lai phu jaj te ka la ban dei manu na ki mla batai ken mangi nong thok khubor te mo ngi hap tho e ka jing shisha em naman nga tho bun ki articles te la bandai manu kinu kan hun ki ba sngo persya e ka jing tho jonga ka dei ka jing persyang ban pentrim ban penma khanang banum tho shu ki bare ban tho te rei ngi ha ka ni ka kam ka bangi trei te kumno ngi la ban kan ran dien mo na ka bangi ju trei